Hey everyone, welcome back. If you build websites with Elementor, you already know HTMega, the all-in-one add-on with 145 plus widgets, templates, and tools to help you build faster. Today, we're kicking off a brand new series featuring modern, design-forward section widgets built for today's websites. And we're starting with the most important one of all, the Hero section. Building a premium Hero section in Elementor can take hours. The new Hero section widget makes it fast and effortless. Let's drag the Hero section widget onto the page and see it in action. Right at the top of the Content tab, you'll find the Design Style dropdown with 5 built-in presets. With just one click, the entire look changes. Colors, typography, spacing, and overall styling update instantly. No custom CSS, no rebuilding from scratch. Next is the Layout dropdown. You can start with a centered layout, switch to a split left layout, and simply add your image. Want to flip the design? Just switch to split right, and the entire structure updates instantly with a single click. You also get complete control over your content. Add a badge, a headline with an optional highlighted accent word, a description, and a row of CTA buttons. Every section has its own visibility toggle, so you can show or hide elements whenever you need. And it's not just for Elementor. The exact same Hero section is available as a native Gutenberg block. So you get the same experience whether you're using Elementor or the WordPress site editor. It's lightweight, accessible, and doesn't rely on jQuery or heavy JavaScript. This widget is perfect for agencies, SaaS founders, freelance designers, and anyone who wants to create modern, professional Hero sections without spending hours on layout and styling. And that's the new Hero section widget from HTMega, the first release in our new series featuring more widgets like services, pricing, team, and FAQ. Update HTMega now, or download it free from WordPress.org and give it a try. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. To grow your business with more great videos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to HasThemes on YouTube.